Hello everybody, Andrea Maeska here with Lashes and Kisses. It is March. We have this amazing promotion going on and you have clicked this video because you want to hear all about it. So they haven't done this since I joined the company. It's been about 2 years now. They are giving out a free lips kit for every new sign up this month in March as long as you spend 300 PV. 300 PV is easy. Don't worry, I don't expect you to know what PV means. I will explain that all to you. So keep on watching and I will explain everything. But even with the free lip kit, with every 300 PV, you get half off. So you get 50% off all products. That's amazing. So any direct sales company out there, you will not get half off anything, because think about it. If you sell that product at full price, we are giving you a 50% commission. There's no other direct sales company out there that will give you a 50% commission on what you sell. So let me just share my screen. I will show you guys the promotional image that we have right now in case you haven't seen it. So I just took this from my page because I did post this the other day. So you get half off 300 or more PV orders from March 1st to March 31st for everybody new who signs up. Plus, see this amazing kit, you guys? You will get this free. So that's over $200 in value. If you're not in Canada, don't worry. I have people from all over the world literally on my team because I train my team online. And I focus on making sales online and in person too, but online so I can train anybody, okay? So please, if you're thinking, oh, I'm not in Canada, I don't know if I can join your team, it doesn't matter. I take people from anywhere because I love to help. But you will get this lip kit for free if you sign up and spend 300 PV, you guys. That's amazing. So you get and I don't even have the kits memorized because they have changed them a little bit. But it looks like you get 6 Lipsense colors for free. You get catalogs, you get lip gloss samples, you get an order form, you get a nice little portfolio booklet, and it looks like a glossy gloss and a remover. So over $200 worth of free stuff. That's pretty awesome. And the nice thing is, if you just spend a little bit more, you will get free shipping. I wish I could take advantage of this, but since I'm not new signing up, I can't. So let me explain how things work a little bit in case you're thinking, okay, this sounds too good to be true. Talk to me about signing up. So I even left a link here to my website on my page, but I am going to take you guys to it now. And I'll leave the link for you guys on the bottom too. So if you guys just go to my main site, lashesandkissesandrea.com, and then if you click on the join me area here, I explain everything, because when I first started, trust me you guys, I had a lot of questions too, tons. Probably more than you. I had so many questions, but I had made this part of the website to kind of help to answer the more commonly asked questions. So the first question is, what is PV? What the heck is that? So that's a points to value system, because we all live in different countries. We all have different currencies for money, so we can't say $300 worth, because $300 could mean $600 to you. It could mean $100. You know, I mean, that's a bad example, but you know what I'm saying. So PV is a product value system. So 300 PV, I'm just going to highlight that here for you guys. So that is about $600 Canadian. So depending on where you live, I'm just giving you the Canadian price because that's where I live, but it's about $600 Canadian. But remember what the lovely promotion is. If you add 300 plus PV orders, so let's say $600 to your cart, you get half off. So you're only paying $300 for $600 worth of product. Plus, you get this $200 worth of free lip kit. That's awesome, you guys. Seriously, that's awesome. I really want to take advantage of this, but I can't because I'm not new. So you are technically getting $800 worth of product for $300 Canadian. So it depends on where you live. If you add a little bit more, so let's say you're adding $650, you are getting $850 for only $350 worth of, you only pay that much, but you also get free shipping. So that helps huge. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom to read through kind of all of the commonly asked questions. Basically, people ask me, what if I want to sign up, but if I don't sell a lot, what does that mean? The nice thing is you can sign up and not sell anything. It doesn't matter. You're not penalized for not selling anything. Of course, the more you actually sell, you make commission, the more you make, but you don't have to. You can technically not sell a thing for 6 months, and that's okay. The company does ask that if you want to stay active, you spend about, and I'm going to double check the number for you. I wonder if I have it on the website. You do have to spend about $200 every 6 months, which is really easy. Trust me, when a Lipsense in Canada is about 300, oh my gosh, is about $30 to $35 plus tax. Even if you only buy products for yourself, like you can get some amazing skincare, makeup, Lipsense, eyeshadow, all of that. And, it does add up, right? But even if you only buy products for yourself, that's pretty much it. Like you don't have to sell. But to remain active, you do have to sell $200 worth every 6 months. But trust me, that's so easy. But if you don't, oh well, that's okay. You will still get all of this stuff that I had shown you earlier. So it's amazing. And with my team, there's no pressure. Like we don't message you every single day telling you to sell, telling you to hustle. We don't do that because we understand that people sign up for these amazing kits and they don't plan to sell. Who cares? We don't care, but if you want to sell, we are here to help you sell and make some amazing money. A lot of people on my team probably make in commission probably about $200 a week. Like that seems to be average. So $200 a week to me means you can technically take a day off from your full-time job because you're making that money in commissions selling Lipsense, So think about it that way, right? But again, you guys don't have to sell anything if you don't want to. So it's pretty amazing. Again, I do answer all of the commonly asked questions here. If you have any questions, let me know. This is an amazing company. I've been with them for 2 years. This promotion I have to talk about because it's awesome. I wish I could take a part in it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and if you're wondering, I am wearing Lexiberry and Golden Iris Gloss on top. And of course, all Lipsense, Synogen's makeup. I could list everything, but maybe I will leave that. I will leave the product information on the video on bottom. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.